Now, this is an audio test going into database. As you can see there, autoslope is selected because it's an access database. Now I'm back to proxy status. Hi, my name is Daniel and welcome to a Softrock video test. This is for training video number 2, quick slope 5 basic. What we're going to go through right now is the project administration, new project, edit project, change, load project. To start with, I need to launch Quick Slope 5, which is in the Start menu. We'll probably add in a keyframe here to zoom in. Probably the best way to do these videos is to break them up into their parts, then I should be able to cut them together fairly easily. So once Quick Slope 5 is loaded, the first thing we want to do is create a new project. To do that, you need to go to the File menu, to the Project menu, which is in the top left-hand corner of the screen. And I need to do the click movements, the mouse movements slowly. So now we need to go to the top left of the screen to the project menu. Now we're creating a new project, so we select new project. Now we need to fill in the details of the project. So we're creating a project based off the database called North Pit. So let's call this project North Pit 1. All the rest of the settings can stay at their defaults. The server name, now this is going to be whatever server that you have set up on your machine with SQL Server Express. On this computer name is called Boardroom, and the SQL server is called Boardroom/SQL Express, which is what I'll put in right now. If you're having trouble following this section, we will be providing a detailed video on the setup of installation of AutoSync and QuickSlope 5 and SQL Server Express and how it all fits together. Now, once you've put in the server name, you need to come down to refresh, and that'll bring up all the databases that exist under that server. And you click the drop-down menu, and now you can choose the database that you want to look at. And the database we want to look at is the North Pit database. Now, what we prepared earlier is we have some CAD drawings for this database, and we want to load those into the QuickSlope 5 project. So to do that, you come down to the CAD Parameters tab, the CAD Parameters section, go to the Browse, and select your CAD drawings, which we have one on the desktop called North Pit. Any other settings you want to set up, as in what prism color is going to show up on your CAD drawing, the prism shape, which will keep it circle, and the CAD background. Just for something different, I'm going to select the white for the CAD background. Once you've finished with the settings, you need to come down to save. Which saves the project. Now, I've created a project earlier on called North Pit. I'd like to load up North Pit 1. So to do that, I'm going to come up to the project drop-down menu, select North Pit 1 with the project we just created, and then load that project. You see that it's initializing and now it's finished loading the new project. So I guess we've just covered new project and change load project. But we didn't cover edit. So edit, I'm going to have to move. Okay, this concludes the test video. Let's see how it came out.